how to kick someone out of your ESPN Fantasy League. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to kick someone out of your ESPN Fantasy League. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's dive in. Launch the app on your mobile device. From the homepage, choose the specific fantasy league you want to manage. Tap the My Team button. Tap the League button, often found in the top right corner. From the list of options, select League Manager Tools. Go to Managers option. This will display a list of all managers, including the commissioner in the league. Find the name of the player you wish to remove. Next to their name, you should see a Remove button. Tap this button to remove the player from the league. Note, if you are the only manager in the league, the Remove button may be disabled, as you cannot remove yourself. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully remove players from your ESPN Fantasy League. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful video. That's all for the video, and see you in the next one.